Hi everyone, it's Christian Nicole and welcome back to my channel, Christian Nicole's House of Beauty. Today I'm going to show you how to secure a T-pin and how to secure your wigs. What are T-pins? What are they for? Okay, so it's going to be a very brief video. It's not rocket science, but this is a beginner video, an introductory video, so that you can learn how to maneuver T-pins and what you need them for. So if you don't already have it, you need a mannequin. My mannequin is pretty busted. It's pretty old. I've had it forever. But I'm going to use this mannequin, and as you can see already, I have T-pins stuck in the side of the mannequin. It's just kind of a safe place for me to put them, in my opinion. And we're going to get right to it. So these are what T-pins look like. I'm going to hold them up for you. This is what they look like. And sometimes they're sold where they're kind of blunt at the bottom, like kind of square, but instead of sharp, you want it to be sharp and pointy at the bottom, like that. So that way it's very easy to insert into your mannequin head. You can use a cork mannequin head like I have, where it's got fabric on it, or you can use a styrofoam mannequin head. Those don't tend to last that long, so I prefer to use the cork mannequin head. So I'm gonna actually put a couple more pins, just stick them in the bottom part so that I don't have to go looking for them if I need more. So this is a wig, and all you're gonna do is, once it's combed out to your liking, you're gonna find the very front of it. This is the front of my wig, it's a synthetic wig. And you're going to put it on here, and you wanna make sure that the whole inside of the cap is gonna be like that on the mannequin head. So here we go. And if you need to go ahead and pause, go ahead and pause. But I'm gonna continue. We're gonna just stick it on just like that, boom. Just like that. See how easy that was? And then we want it to stay in place, because we don't want it to, sometimes they can slide back, especially if you have kids, or let's say you're making a wig and you want to color your hair and you pull the hair a little too tautly and the whole thing will come and it'll be all on the floor. So we don't want that. We want to keep the wig secured and in place. And so what we're going to begin to do is take our T-pins. Okay, we're not going to take that T-pin. We're going to take our T-pins right here. Right, can you see that? And we're gonna go ahead and just stick them in little strategic places like that to hold it down. This is a synthetic wig, so I will not be cutting it or coloring it. This is just for demonstration purposes only. We're gonna take that and we're gonna put that right there. We're gonna put it near the hairline, I guess. Now you can secure them any way you want. I usually put two in the front and one in the back at the nape of the wig, because that's usually all I need. And if you don't secure it in the back, guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna slide up. Okay, so I'm gonna put one in the back just like that at the very bottom part. I'm gonna stretch it down first, and I'm just gonna use my sensors here to just kind of stick it in the very back just like that. See that? And now the wig isn't going to go anywhere. So yeah, very quickly, what was that, 3 minutes on how to secure a wig with T-pins. That's what they're used for. They're used to secure wigs, whether they're already made, or secure them if you're in the process of making them. That way they also help hold your place. They also help hold up tracks. But yeah, you can put T-pins in the sides, like wherever you need your wig to stay put. Oops. Just stick it there. And now you're like, well, how do you take them out? Okay, super easy. I'm only gonna do this one time because it's super easy. You're gonna find your T-pin. You see that? Find your T-pin, and then you're just gonna lift it up from the bottom, and voila, your T-pin comes out just like that. Okay, so if you have any questions, or if you like this video, or you have comments, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section. Go ahead and like this video if you actually like it, and go ahead and subscribe, because it helps me, it helps the YouTube algorithm put my videos up and make them more public. And yeah, there will be more videos. If there's anything that you want to see in specific, leave that in the comments below as well. Until next time, thank you for joining me with Christian Nicole's House of Beauty. I will see you guys soon.